Hey you guys, I'm Molly with Design Loves Detail. Today I am sharing a little bit of fun with our kids' room. I love this space, it's one of my favorites ever, and I think you're gonna enjoy it too. Before we jump into all the fun pieces of this space, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos in case you haven't yet. We have always got new exciting home content on our channel here, and then you can also find me on Instagram at Design Loves Detail. This bed is one of my favorites. It's so cute. It's from Walmart, so it's a reasonable price. And then it's still got that fun element with being kind of a house, a little open frame house. And you can use it either with, you could put a twin size bed frame in here. I think they also might have it in a toddler size and the larger sizes as well, like a full. Like in this case, because we were transitioning, my youngest, he had a crib in here. So this was originally a nursery space. And I kept it pretty much the same. I switched out a couple little details, but we mostly switched from the crib to the bed. And I did do the twin size, and so we wanted to keep it lower, and we just did the mattress right on the ground, and it's been perfect for him, so we don't have to worry about him falling out as he's kind of getting switched over from the crib to a big kid bed. This wall is in the Booth Bay Gray, which is one of my favorite colors ever by Benjamin Moore. You can check out my paint guide for more pictures of that color. I used it on my front doors and my kitchen island, my butler's pantry as well. So all those places feature that color. It's just such a good one. And I love the molding detail as well. Kind of gives that perfect backdrop. Bedding is another favorite of mine. This is from Betty's. You guys know how much I love Betty's. They are completely genius and they zip. So it's easier for kids to make the bed. My kids actually do make the bed because it's one little thing instead of a bunch of layers. It comes with the comforter and the sheet all as one piece that wraps around the mattress. So when you do, when you need to wash it, it's just quick to pull off one piece and then throw that back on. Really good for bunk beds as well when you don't want to have to like try and climb up there to tuck in a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and then a comforter. This is just like all in one, and they have tons of cute patterns and prints, and they're always coming out with new ones. So I have a code, a discount code for Betty's that you guys can use if you are in the market for something like that. Over on this side of the room, we've got some really cute artwork. I love these prints. They come in a bunch of different kinds of animals, and my kids love them too. So they're the perfect fit, I think, for kids' spaces. And this dresser, I know so many of you guys have asked about it, and it is discontinued. I'm going to link similar ones, but basically, we've had this set up a few different ways, and the way that I think was actually the most fun, I'm gonna put a picture for you, is with this little table and chair set. So fun for kids to have a place to go and work on little art projects and things like that. I actually stole that table and chairs because we're taking it to our remodel project. We're gonna use it in a kid's space there. But so either whether you need a dresser or more of a play area, kind of think that out because for instance, like my son is so young that we had plenty of space in his closet that we really didn't need a dresser in here. We used it when he was younger for a changing table, so it made sense for that. But then as he's getting older, bringing in that table and chairs that I mentioned was like the perfect thing. So I might need to get another one of those. But this is another little toy I was gonna tell you guys about. If you guys haven't checked out Melissa and Doug, they have darling toys. A lot of them are kind of wood, really good for development. And then also, they're cute to look at. So again, that balance of function and form. This one's a little stable that opens up and they can carry it around. So fun. This is another favorite toy collection of mine and that my kids just love too, is the Hearth and Hand line from Joanna Gaines. You guys may have seen her collection at Target for home decor, but she also has a line of toys. And I think that they come out with new ones every season. So I will have to include some of those because they're just really fun. So cute. Another really fun element of this space is this little play tent. This is one that can fold up and you can store it in a closet or under a bed if you're not using it, which is great. But then it gives your kids kind of a little place to hide out and really enjoy. I love interactive elements like this because then they can just have more fun in their room and they'll want to play more and be more creative. So this has a fun little window on the side as well as pockets for books or toys so they can just kind of, put their things in there and really feel like it's their own little spot. I just recently shared this on my Instagram stories. I was so excited because Walmart came out with this tiny size of the egg chair. We have it, of course, in the adult size and everybody loves it in our house. So when they came out with the smaller one, it was an instant hit and it's like literally an exact replica of the other one. And just the perfect kid size, So highly recommend that. You can use it indoors or outdoors, and definitely a favorite around here. Thank you guys for checking out this space. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of when our next video is live. And if you'd like, leave me a comment and let me know which element you think is the most fun in this space.